beautiful, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome. So today's video I'm going to be doing a comparison with the new Maybelline Tattoo Studio waterproof brow gel and the Wunderbrow that is waterproof, and this is in the shade black brown, and I got the shade deep brown in the Maybelline Tattoo brow gel. So I'll be doing a comparison to see if they are the same, or we can dupe it out and save some monies and just go with Maybelline, or if Wonderbrow is more waterproof than Maybelline. I don't know, but let's zoom in and let's do it. Okay, so all zoomed in, all close to the brows, and we're going to be doing the comparison. I think I'm going to have to use black instead of black brown just so you guys can see my eyebrow a little bit more. So boom. Let's go in with the Wunderbrow eyebrow gel, and this one is in jet black, and I'm going to be using my eyebrow brush, and this one is in 762. So now we're going to do the fake strokes. And then we're going to clean them up. Before this dries down on the brush, I will be using some makeup remover and clean off my brush. Brand new. So now going in and cleaning this eyebrow up. So here is the Wunderbrow brow. Wunderbrow brow. So now let's go in with the Maybelline Tattoo brow gel. So now we're gonna go in with this eyebrow. And this is going to be a different shade than this brow because this one's jet black and this one is deep brown. So now we're going to do the fake strokes. I feel like with this one, I gotta come back in and darken it just a little bit at the beginning of my brow. So I'm gonna go in and wipe off the product. My brows look really different, huh? And fill in just a little bit. There you go. Happy. Okay, I just want to clean up underneath. I don't want to go on top and all of that because then when we use the water, it's going to just take that all off. One is arched up higher, but I can't fix it right now. I read a few comments saying that how come I don't use a spray bottle. I don't have any spray bottles, and I don't want to use makeup setting spray because what if that makes it stay? Or I don't know. Water bottle schooler. I'm down to go to town. Here we go. Hold on. Did I get my eyebrows? Yeah. I'll even wet my finger. Okay, so let's go with this one. Oh, let me zoom in so you guys can see. There you go. Wet my eyebrow. You guys want to see some tugging action? There you go. Nothing. Now for Maybelline. Here we go. Nothing. Okay, again. Oh, let's the water. Here we go. Nothing. That is freaking awesome. I'm gonna get this finger wet. I'm gonna get this finger wet, and we'll go like this. Nothing. That is freaking awesome. So, what? Swipe it off. That just made me so happy. Oh, that nice. Oh, that is so cool. That is freaking awesome. I wet the heck out of my face. So the Maybelline Tattoo eyebrow gel is like the Wonderbrow waterproof brow gel. That is crazy. You guys seen up close, tugging, all of that. Just to do it again, just for for fun. Let's see. Nothing. You guys see? Eyebrow tugging. Nothing. This one. Eyebrow tugging. Nothing. Nothing. I know the only thing that removes these brows, well, what I used is the Bioderma makeup removing solution. This is the only thing that I know removes it like a charm. Oh, I guess it did come off a little bit right there, but that's not even bad. Look at it. It came off a little bit right there. Wonderbrow still on all the way, but it came off a smudge right there. Not even a biggie. Not even biggie. I'm not gonna even hold it against it and be like, nah, no. If you've been wanting the Wonderbrow and you want something just a little bit cheaper, go for the Maybelline Tattoo. You guys seen it for yourself. Works awesome. Oh yeah, and you have to let the products dry down. You can't automatically just put it on and expect for it just to be like waterproof. No. You have to wait a little bit, let them dry, you know, fan them down a little bit, and that should do the trick. So I hope this comparison helped you guys. You guys can save some monies, because I know Wonderbrow, it is one of my favorite eyebrow products. It really is. I love it. Very nice. But now if I run out of this, I know I can just run to Walmart real quick and get some Maybelline eyebrow gel. Yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoy these type of videos, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already to keep updated my videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. If you guys want more proof and you guys want to see how long the Maybelline brow did last without me having to remove it, I do have a vlog and you guys can watch it. And you guys see me doing a little like workout and stuff, and I'm like rubbing my face at home, rubbing my face, all of that in the car, rubbing my face. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.